Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a no contact reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the end of this month, August 2025. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also and the action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story at all. Don't try to forcibly fit into the reading. If it is not yours, then it's not yours. Okay. Want to be a reader like me, you can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Hmm. Leo, the overall energy for the connection right now at this present moment is. Mhm. We have the Nine of Cups and the Two of Wands and the Death card. You know, both of you were trying to make things work out on your own level, and with each passing day, the happiness was fading away. And you guys were waiting for the happiness to come back around somehow. And you guys were waiting and waiting and waiting, and boom, the situation ended. At least one of you were trying their best to make that situation work out, even if there were lots of obstacles or challenges in that one. The other person was not that much involved in the situation. They became tired and they felt like, okay, I should end this chapter because enough is enough. So even if there was love in the situation, the equal give and take of energy, the being on the same page kind of energy was not there for some reason. And even if you guys were trying your best to make the situation work out, it somehow ended into something totally different kind of outcome, and it changed everything for both of you forever. Okay. So when you guys started that connection, it was like a wish come true, wish fulfillment kind of energy for both of you. But for both of you, it's this situation became the one where both of you were trying to figure out what should we do next, what should we do next, and one of you was properly taking the action, and other person was not, and that became a runner and chaser kind of a situation. Even if it was just energetically a runner chaser kind of situation, and it ended. Hmm. On that level, let's see, like one of you was super involved, the other person was not able to, and you guys were not able to cope up with the situation, and boom, and let's read the cards for your respective energies now, their current feelings. The Hermit, this person is someone who is looking at their mistakes, looking at this situation as a whole, trying to figure out what went wrong, trying to learn their lessons, trying to become the best version of themselves because of this whole situation. This person feels like they miss you, they miss this connection very much, especially when they're alone. But instead of, they feel like instead of doing anything about it, they should think about it properly, think about the situation as much as they should, and then take action if it is required. Okay, right now they are just okay, let me think about it kind of mode. Okay, from your side the feelings are kind of you are enjoying your life to the fullest, and or at least you are trying to, with multiple people, multiple situations, multiple energies around you, surrounding you, and or at least you are trying to. From your side, I feel like you're open to the idea of being a friend with this person, as long as that friendship doesn't make you guys go crazy. Okay, hmm, you feel like exploring your life and giving your shot to the best life you could possibly have. Okay, and you feel like, okay, if they are going to come forward anytime in this lifetime, you feel like keeping the gates open for maybe just friendship kind of a deal. It's like opening up with some kind of restrictions, some kind of boundaries. What they want from you, what they want from the situation, Leo. We have the Queen of Wands. This person wants to create some kind of reality in the situation. This person wants to take some kind of action in this direction. They want to passionately come forward towards you at some point of time, and they want to manifest a brand new beginning in the situation. Mind you, this is all happening in their head, and they are living in the fantasy land where they are moving forward, coming forward, and doing something about the situation and making shit happen according to their own terms and conditions. So they do want to take the action in this direction. They do want to create their own reality in this situation, but they want to take time because their feelings and their intentions are totally different energies. Let me see from your side what are the intentions here. Six of Wands. You're telling me that even if I'm open to the idea of maybe being friends with this person at some point of time down the line, I am going to be super focused on myself, my money, my job, my career, my looks, my everything. It's like you want to keep yourself the center of attention of your own world, and everything else, everyone's else who wants to be with you, who wants to be in your life, should follow you, should follow your lead. See, your intention here is to have a successful and victorious connection with whosoever you are going to connect with next. And or you might have already chosen somebody else over this situation. But at the same time, you don't want to lose your own independence, lose your own name. You just want to remain independently involved in actually every kind of connections. It's not about romantic love only. You don't want to lose your independence. You want to keep it. At the same time, you want to make successful and victorious kind of connections in your life. Right now, I don't see very you being very focused on a particular person or situation. For most of you, it's about you being with yourself, focused on yourself, your money, your job, your career, and being open to the idea of having good connections in your life, including the romantic ones, but not losing yourself because of that, refusing to do that. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you by the end of this month, if any. Five of Pentacles. I do see this person being in this feeling left out in the cold kind of thing. I don't see this person taking any kind of action as of now because they are just I'm telling you, they are just planning about it, daydreaming about it, having fantasies about it, but they're not doing anything about it. They don't have the strength and the courage. They don't have that much power right now to, stand up and take any kind of action in this direction, because right now they feel this is not the right thing to do, and or they think they can't do it. They just can't do it. According to them, they just can't do it. That's why they are just keeping themselves away from the situation. But you are in their fantasy land. You are in their mind almost all the time. Action from your side, if any. By the end of this month, we have the Hierophant. You are going to be super focused on your growth, and or connecting with those people, those situations, those things who are going to help you grow according to your belief system, traditional values. For some of you, you might be looking forward to have a person in your life according to the choice of your parents. For only some of you. For others of you, you might be working on your spiritual growth and connecting with like minded people to have that kind of growth. And for others of you, like third group is like you are going to be very much strict in the idea of how your lover or your partner should be in the coming future. I don't see any action from your side also, but I do see this energy of this time. I'm going to make sure they are going to connect with me on emotional, mental, and physical, all the three levels, and spiritual level, all the four levels. Then only I'm going to move forward. Hmm. They're not growing, they are just falling apart as of now. You are getting your shit together, and you're growing on multiple levels, and you know what you want, and you are not ready to like settle for less than what you want. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation by the end of this month. We have the Three of Pentacles. This situation is still workable. The potential outcome here is telling me that both of you, if both of you are ready to put in the effort and energy in the situation can still work out somehow. It's like three of pentacles, maybe taking help from somebody else, maybe involving other people in the situation. If only both of you can come on the same page and make things work out, the situation is still workable. You guys can still save the situation, save the day, only if you want to. And for that, you guys have to come on the same page. The outcome is telling me there are still possibilities of this situation coming together in a positive way if taken help, if taken care of, and if taken help on time. Okay. The guidance for you guys is the Eight of Pentacles. Putting in the effort and energy in the right direction is highly recommended for you guys, Leo. If you feel like this situation is not the one for you, if you are kind of feeling like you have given enough time, resources and energy to the situation and you never got what you wanted, this is high time for you to say goodbye to this situation and never look back. So put in the effort and energy and your resources in that direction where you know you are going to get something good in return. Okay. Otherwise, like, it's going to be a disaster again for you guys, Leo. Nobody else, nothing else is to blame then. Although this situation can still be recovered, only if both of you can come on the same page, the outcome can be coming together. But in the guidance, only put in the effort and energy where you know you are going to get good results in the outcome. Otherwise, there is no use of wasting your time, energy and resources on something that you know is not good for you at the end of the day. Okay, let's see the final message for you guys from the Romance Angels Oracle cards. Getting to know each other better. As you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Yeah, this connection still have the potential. Again, from this card also I'm getting the same answer. Getting to know each other better. Maybe you left each other before knowing each other properly, or maybe because of a small misunderstanding or something that was kind of out of your hands, you guys fell apart. Yeah, as you reveal your innermost side to each other, your bond can still deepen, your bond can still evolve in a beautiful and positive way. Now, I'm not saying if this person is married to somebody else and you fell for them, go and ruin their life and ruin your also. I'm not saying that. Even if you guys are madly in love with a married man or married woman, until unless they are completely single and out of that situation, don't get involved in that. Okay, all you are going to get in return is shit. I've seen so many cases in my life. I can assure you that it never ends in a good way. Never. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.